Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maribel Oliva Manulna, 28 years of age, born on November 20, 1996, from Baguio City, Benguet, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic. I am not yet married but I have with my living partner. We're blessed with two daughters, ages 10 years old and 8 years old. Ma'am and sir, I have work experience here in Philippines 2 years 5 months as a housemaid. I serve 5 family members including the 3 children ages 10 years old, 8 years old, and 3 months old baby. My main duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children, providing their basic needs like food, clothing, ensuring their safety, preparing their needs, and send them in school. Maintaining a clean and organized living space, doing laundry and ironing, managing household chores, cooking, marketing, and gardening. Ma'am and sir, I am a hardworking person, patient, trustworthy, obedient, and most of all, honest. To my future employer, I'll promise to do my best to serve your family, treat your child as my own, and to meet your expectation as your housemaid, and always do my job well. That's all, ma'am and sir. Thank you.